This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So can I show you once again this MRP?
Yes, please.
So if you want, you can take the screenshots. Okay. The MRP transaction code is MD01N.
Right.
Okay. Here you enter first the plant, and if you want, you can enter the range of plant from 1 to, and here you enter our material code, Honda car. Okay. And then select all order component, BOM components.
Okay.
And then here in the scheduling, you can select the option 2, lead time and capacity planning.
Okay.
And then in the planning mode, you can select the 1.
Okay. Now hold on 1 second, please.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. After this, you can click on the execute button. Okay. You can click on yes.
Yeah.
So this is the output you will get.
Okay.
Materials planned is 2 materials.
Yeah, but there are other screens.
Hmm.
That's I want to see.
Okay. Now the output you will see in another transaction code. See this in another transaction code, that is MD04, stock
That
requirements list.
stock requirement. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Press enter. So here you enter the material code and plant. You can take the screenshot.
Just 1 second. Now after the MRP, when you do the complete MRP, then it is
Hmm.
necessary that you can go to a stock requirement.
Correct.
I see. Okay.
Okay. Enter your plant, your material and plant, and then press enter.
Okay.
So here you can see your planned orders
Yeah, that's a
after
screen.
MR.
Yeah, that's a screen I
Yeah.
was looking for, but it was confusion. I think
Okay.
material requirement, stock requirement, I did not catch that part. Okay.
Okay. Okay. You can take the screenshot.
Yes, I got it. Now,
Okay.
after the stock requirement list,
Hmm. Hmm.
uh, then what is the next step after that? I think that you
Yeah.
say you will do it after that class.
Correct. Correct. So after this one, you can see we run the MRP,
Mhm.
then we got the planned orders. Okay. Now then we will do the convert to production order. We will
Now,
convert planned order to production order.
now the plan order is that one that the plan order you already created, right?
Yeah, system created. We are not created. Just we will see these in MD04.
So MD04 is
Hmm.
also means create the plan order.
No, no, no. To create separately, you want to create planned order, there is separate transaction code is there. But here we are not created the planned order. System generated, MRP generated planned orders
Okay. System
as per the your shortage.
generated. Just 1 second. I will write the note plan order.
Yeah.
Successful generated plan order. But if you wanna, in any scenario, can you create the direct plan order?
Yes, we can create also.
In what sense we can create the plan order if the MRP automatically generate the
Yeah.
plan order? And if it's create the plan order, and what is the transaction code for plan order?
Yeah. To create, if you want, you can create manually the planned order also. To create a planned order manually, the transaction code is MD11.
MD, I see. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is MD11 transaction code. Okay. So here manually you can create. What is the reason means? Some people want, just now they want to create one order to manufacture a product. Okay. They can directly create.
I see. Okay, say one more time again. If
Yeah. If the planners or shop floor people, they want to manufacture now product, but there is no order for that.
okay,
So then
if the planner
directly they will create.
if the planners are manufactured a
Hmm.
single order, right?
Correct. Correct.
If the planners are manufactured single order,
Hmm.
then then they create the uh, MD0, MD11.
Yeah. Correct.
Okay, now you create the MRP and the
Hmm.
system automatically create the plan order. Now we have to move forward.
Correct. Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Do you have Nicholas number, contact number or something?
Yeah, I will call you now.
Yeah. Can you please call him?
Yes.
Yeah, hello?
Hello, Nicholas. Are you?
Yeah. I just saw the email. I'm joining now.
Okay, please, Mr. Vasu, he is waiting for you. Very desperate.
Okay, sorry, I just saw the message. I just saw the email.
Okay.
I'm
Come on.
coming. 2 minutes.
We are on the system now. Okay. All right. See you
Okay.
later.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Okay, 2 minutes.
Okay, Mr. Vasu. Okay, Vasu, he is coming now.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Thank you. Okay.
Now we can go back to the screen that you are
Yeah.
all the way up, that we can see uh, further up a little bit. More. Okay, that you say you create the plan order, in a starting
Hmm.
screen. What is the
Yeah.
next step after that?
Yeah.
Yes, right here.
We will
So,
convert it to production orders.
okay, now convert plan order will convert to production order.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So now we will go in a different transaction code.
Yeah.
I see.
Different transaction codes we have. I will show you all those transaction codes now. You are from which part of US?
I'm sorry.
You are from which state?
I'm in Chicago, Illinois.
Oh, okay, Chicago. Okay.
Yeah, very cold over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yesterday was temperature was 7 degree Fahrenheit,
Oh,
single digit.
oh, yeah.
And so I saw the news. People are trying to cross the boat, and the fan is running over there. Then I assume that there is too hot over there.
Yeah, correct. Here the temperature is 40 degrees.
I see.
40 degrees, if you convert into Fahrenheit, maybe something around, it is more in Fahrenheit actually.
Yeah, could be 85 or 90.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mostly in this month,
Yeah.
in this month of April, the temperature mostly change. But this
Oh,
time,
yeah.
the
Okay.
winter take little longer.
Oh, okay.
So
For us now, it is a summer actually.
yes. So in other words, Vasu, when we
Yeah.
done with this training, now
Okay.
if I go, let's see, after a few months or 5, 6 months, when I'm supposed to work in practices and work very hardly and understand the whole thing. But sometimes any error comes. So can I send you email sometimes and can you answer us?
Yes. You can anytime you can send the mail, so I
Yep.
can reply to you.
Okay.
No
Thank
problem. Yeah. Hi, Nicholas.
Hi, good morning, good morning, sir. How are you?
Yeah.
Thanks,
Good evening.
thanks for having me. Thanks for having me. Thanks.
Okay. You are able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay. Your audio is not audible clearly. Okay. Your voice is not audible clearly.
Yeah, I can see your screen. Yes. Can you hear me now?
Okay. Yeah. Now it is good. Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I moved the speaker. Okay. Now I will mute myself. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Jamal, on the GoToMeeting screen, that pop-up screen, you are able to see the recording is recording. Recording is in progress at the bottom.
you. Yeah,
I don't know sometimes.
this session.
Yeah.
It says this session is being recorded.
Yeah. Okay. Last class, Murali told it is not recorded. I don't know, but we
It's
pressed the recording.
Yeah, he sent me the email and he said
Yeah.
it's recorded in your computer, in your
Okay.
desktop. So
Okay.
I checked, it was recorded, but when I open up the file and
Okay.
this file is not, give me any proper response. Not there is no volume. It's not open up. So I will
Okay.
contact with him, or I will send
Yeah.
him these files that he can work on.
Okay. Fine. Okay. Now I'm starting the class. Okay. So in my previous session, we saw how MRP is calculating in the back end. Okay. These are the steps it will follow. First is the net requirements calculation. Then it will follow lot size calculation. Then procurement. Based on the procurement setting, either you will get a planned order or purchase requisition. Then you another next step is scheduling. So scheduling will calculate what is the start date and end date. Okay. So
Now,
now,
these four steps, as you say, MRP
mm,
is calculated already, or it's calculated, or we have to work on it. I think it's
no, yeah. When you run the MRP system in the background, it will calculate all these things. We
all
are
this.
not doing.
Okay,
Yeah.
background. Okay.
So the why if somebody asks you how planned order is generated, I will run the MRP. So how it is generated? Somebody asks you, these are the answers. So it will follow all these steps and it will generate a planned order with start date and end date. Okay. Now, after fourth step, we have another step, that is fifth step. It is BOM explosion.
BOM explosion.
Yeah. Okay. So what is this BOM explosion? I will explain you now. So our product is Honda car.
Right.
Okay. BOM means bill of material. So this car is having example like engine and tire.
Yes.
Okay. This car is having the engine and a tire. Okay. Sometimes not in real time. This engine also will have a BOM.
Right.
Okay. Or you can say only, you can imagine only these two, no problem. Okay. In this example.
Yeah,
Now, in
tire
the,
has also BOM.
yeah, BOM will have, correct. Okay. Now, we, in the initial screen, which material we enter when you run the MRP?
Honda car.
Car we enter, correct. Honda car we enter. But system is generated purchase requisition for tire also, correct. Purchase requisitions for tire also it is generated. If you want to see, you can see in MD04. I am changing the material code. So you can see for Honda car, system is generate purchase requisitions also. How system is identified this purchase to calculate this for this material also? This
Can
is,
you can you go back, put the Honda car again, please?
yeah, for Honda car it is a PLD ORD, planned orders. For a tire it is purchase requisition. Can I move?
Okay. Honda car is plan order, and
Correct.
Honda
Because,
tire is purchase requisition.
correct.
Okay.
Tire,
Uh,
tire we are procuring from outside.
okay. Okay.
So when we run the MRP, we are not selected tire, but still it is calculated. Okay. It is calculated means it is created the purchase requisition. How it is happened is because one thing is it in the fifth step, it will read what is the BOM. Explosion means it will read the what is the BOM of this car. So BOM is tire. Okay. It will read, and for this tire, again it will follow all these steps. For tire, again it will follow all these steps and create here purchase requisition. So that means in the last step, again it will read the BOM, and for BOM items also it will do the planning. Is it clear?
So BOM will explode only the tire, not for engine.
No, engine we are not maintained actually. Example I told you, but engine we not maintain in the BOM. In BOM we maintain only tire.
Right.
Okay. If you maintain engine and the glass, everything, it will do the MRP for all the materials. We put only these two materials.
I see. Okay.
Okay. So in the last step, it will read the BOM and it will do the planning for those materials also. So That is the reason we are not given multiple materials in MRP screen. Okay. Any questions in this step?
No.
It's not questions, but this is need to be practice, and also you have to understand this complete logic in your mind.
Correct. Exactly. Okay. You need to remember all these 5 steps. So then you understood your MRP.
Yeah. Can you go to the 5 steps on Excel on
Yeah.
copy that?
Okay. I will go there. Here you can see this is MRP selection screen. Here you need to tick mark this one, all order BOM components. Okay. Then it will, in the 5th step, it will read all your BOM components and it will do the planning. Okay. So that is the reason also to be included in planning. So your BOM components also you are including. If you not tick mark this one, it won't do the planning for your components.
Right.
Okay. Now I am in Excel file. Yeah.
But after class, you can email me the Excel file. It will help you.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
Okay.
I think after last class I sent the Excel file.
Yeah, I got that. But since every day you are working and the Excel file is updating the things.
Okay, sure. After this I will send it. Okay. So this is about the MRP. Okay. Now I am going to the next step. After MRP, we saw the planned orders also in MD04. Now I am going to convert this planned order to production orders.
Yeah.
Okay. This is our 4th step. Okay. So this conversion of planned order to production orders, you can do in a different ways. You can convert this into a different transaction codes.
I see. Means plan order convert to production has a few transaction codes.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, you have multiple transaction codes to convert this production order to planned order to production order. One is stock requirements list, that is MD04. Another one is I will. So the path for another 2 transaction codes is logistics, production, MRP. Yeah, convert to production orders. So another thing is individual conversion and collective conversion.
I see.
Individual conversion. This is CO40. And third one is a collective conversion. That is CO41. These are the different transaction codes we can use. Okay. So whatever the transaction you use, the purpose is same and it will do the same activity only.
I see.
You won't feel any difference.
I see.
Okay. The output, there is no difference. So
So
now
what is
I will
the
show.
So what is the
Yeah,
easy way? Can we do one transaction code and get all of them?
all of means.
If we go in one transaction code, is
Hmm.
our purpose solved?
Yeah,
And any of them are just MD04 or
you can use any one
I see.
for this conversion. I will show you, then I will explain you what is the difference actually. Okay,
Oh, I see. Okay,
I will show you all these three transaction codes.
okay,
First thing is MD04. This is nothing but our stock requirements list. So you will enter our purchase, what are the material,
yes, once.
okay,
Okay,
and you have these planned orders.
right.
Okay, for example, you want to convert this planned order 5763 with 100 quantity. So you click on this details button, you will get this screen. So here you can see one button, arrow PROD WOD. It's a
Yeah.
description, convert planned order to production order. Okay, you can click this button.
Which budget? The production order?
Yeah, production order button.
Okay.
I will go back once again. You can see, enter the details and this button.
Okay, hold on.
Here,
Can you hold on 1 second, please?
yeah, sure.
Just 1 second.
Nicholas, do you have another session today?
No, today I don't have another session. On weekend we don't do
Okay.
session. Only Monday. Monday
Okay.
to Friday.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks for asking.
Okay.
Okay.
And then, okay, we click this.
Yeah. So it will open another screen. You can see production order creation header.
I see.
Okay. At present, you don't require to do anything here. Just save it.
Just save it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Click on save button.
Okay.
If it comes to some casting error, you can say yes. Do you still want to save? Click on yes. This is a
Okay.
casting error. Okay.
Yeah.
Still, you can click on save.
Now, one more question I have.
Yeah.
When we are working on costing,
Hmm.
manpower, labor, everything,
Hmm.
in a real scenario in industry, are they
Hmm.
are taking in account the costings and everything, or they don't care about the costings and the
No, 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 no.
industry
In
will
re
running?
Yeah, in real time, there should not be any errors for casting.
So
Okay.
they count the costing,
Correct.
because some place they don't count the costing and they just do the manufacturing and place the order for the requirements and planning and all these things. But
Okay.
they don't care about the dollar amount or anything. They just keep repetitive production. And
Okay.
is
Okay.
this has happened? Are they everywhere they count the costing?
Everywhere they will count the costing.
I see.
Otherwise, there is no use of using SAP. Why SAP is? It is an integrated product. It is not a single product. It is integrated with all your business functions. If you take, for example, Oracle will have a different products for different modules. Oracle Finance is there, Oracle Manufacturing is there. These are not integrated products. But SAP is an integrated product where
So,
you can get costing, production, HR,
mhm,
PM, all these.
okay.
Okay. If you are not using that costing means you are not using the product properly.
I see.
Okay. Okay. Now I'm going back. Now after saving that button, you can see in the bottom you will get the one message, order number 1000161 saved.
Yeah.
That means we have converted this planned order to production order. And in this screen in MD04, okay, we'll refresh this button.
I'm
Okay,
sorry. Which button was refreshing?
you can see here refresh button in the top.
Okay.
Okay, click on this. So this 5763 will disappear and this production order will come here.
Okay. Just one
Okay,
second. Just one.
because we already converted this.
Okay. Just 1 second here. Okay. All right.
Okay, I'm just clicking on say refresh button. You can see now this is the PRD ORD, means it is the production order. Okay, and this is the your production order number.
I see.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, this is one way of conversion. Now I will go to another transaction, this CO40. Okay, so I will open this CO40 individual conversion.
Can you hold on 1 second? Okay. Go. CO40.
Yeah,
Um, okay. Just 1 second. Okay. Go ahead, please.
yeah. So in initial screen, this is the initial screen for CO40. Here you need to enter the planned order number.
Okay.
Okay, in MD04, just you know the planned order, you just click on the production order. But here you need to enter which planned order you want to convert. That planned order number you need to enter here. Okay,
661 or something, whatever.
not that is production order. Okay, so to know about your planned order, again you need to go to the MD04 stock requirements list. Okay, and here you take any of the one planned order, like 5764 you can take any one planned order you need to take. You copy 5764 and now you go to the CO40 transaction code and enter here your planned order number.
Okay. Hold on 1 second.
Okay,
Okay.
now press enter. Now same production order creation header screen will come. Okay, and click on save button.
Just 1 second. 1 second.
I'm sorry, Vasu, you took the same planet order, you converted again because the other one it was converted to production order. Or you took
Yeah,
another one?
I took another one.
Another one.
Once,
Okay,
yeah,
okay,
once you
okay.
convert
Okay.
into production order, you
Yeah.
cannot,
You
yeah,
cannot.
convert that again. Yeah,
Okay, okay, got
I
it.
took
I didn't
another,
pay attention to the number. Yeah, no problem. Thank you, sir.
yeah, I took another one. Okay.
And when you save it,
Save it. I am just clicking the save it. Yes. Now in the bottom of the screen, you can see 162 saved.
yeah,
So another production order is saved.
saved. Just 1 second. Okay.
Okay. Can I go to
Yeah.
steps?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is saved now. So if you go to the MD04, our stock requirements list,
Mhm.
you can see that order. 5764 is we created earlier. This planned order now converted. So I'm just refreshing it. This 5764 will disappear and that production order will come now. I'm just refresh. Click on refresh. Now you can see it is replaced with your production order.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay. So now is
Now
it clear? These two
yes.
transaction codes. Now,
Yes.
for example, you have 100 planned orders. You have 100 planned orders. Now you want to convert all 100. So
Then
is it possible for you to use this transaction code?
now there's collective.
You
So
use the collective.
41.
That should be done.
Yeah, correct. Now we have another transaction code called collective. Okay, that collective you can use for multiple planned orders conversion.
Right.
Okay,
So,
the transaction code is CO41. So that collective can be used for multiple materials also. Not only the same material, you can use for multiple materials. CO41, this is the transaction code. You can see selection screen, collective conversion of planned orders.
yeah.
Okay. Here you can enter plant and controller is important role here. Okay.
Lon, say again. What is the important?
Yeah, MRP controller. So you have a planners, three planners. I want to convert my own orders only.
Right.
So how to identify that is MRP controller. Your materials will identified with your MRP controller.
Okay.
You can select that. Okay. And then here, if you want to enter material, you can enter the material.
Yeah, but when you have a collective plan order
Hmm.
and your materials are like 10 different materials, how you can add the material?
So here you cannot add the material. Only enter your MRP controller.
So where we get the MRP controller?
In the material master.
Oh, I see.
The material master, you will assign the MRP controller. So if you have only one material like Honda car, you can directly enter this Honda car. If you have multiple materials, don't enter the material, only enter here MRP controller.
Okay.
Okay. This is a selection screen and then click on execute. So now here, once you execute, this screen will appear, collective conversion planned orders list. Now here, system will display all your planned orders.
Okay.
You can see. Okay. We have 5760, 6162, three planned orders we have. If you want to see in stock requirements list, you can see what are the left planned orders? 1, 2, and 3. 3 planned orders left. Correct?
Yeah.
So all these 3 planned orders are appearing in collective conversion. Now, system is showing all orders. For example, you don't want to convert the last one. You want to convert these two, first two only. You want to convert first two only. So then you can select which are you want to convert.
Okay.
Okay. You will select which are you want to convert. Yeah, here in the starting, you can click on the selection buttons here, these two. You select these two and click on convert button.
I see.
You can see in the top convert button is there. You click on that. Okay. I'm clicking this convert button. So casting error showing okay. Yes. Yes. So you can see after conversion, these two tick marks has come. Green tick mark.
It
That
means
means
these 2 orders.
correct. So
These 2.
here you can see 2 orders are created. These are production orders. Okay. And the last one is it is not converted. Okay.
Okay.
So now if you go to the stock requirement list, you can see 2 production orders are converted. I'm refreshing it. Now you can see only 1 planned order you have. Okay.
I see. Okay.
Is it clear this step? Any
Yes.
questions?
Yeah, it's clear. Can I ask a question? In best practice, do
Uh,
you convert
your
as soon
voice is
as you
not
create?
clear.
Yeah. Now would be fine. As soon
Uh,
as soon as you have all the planet order in the
okay.
MD04, in this
Yeah.
case, you should convert all of them to production order, or not necessarily. You convert what you have for 3 months in the future, or 1 month in the future, or 3 months in the future, or how the people work on.
Yeah. In real time, generally we won't convert all planned orders. Okay. We will convert maybe next 2 weeks orders or next 1 month orders only.
Okay,
Okay. So
okay.
then in that case, how I should identify those? Okay. So that you can identify, you can see here in collective conversion, you can enter the date range also.
Yeah, okay, an opening date. Okay, by opening date. Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
So you can select, for example, which are the orders from tomorrow to next month 15th. You want to see 1 month orders. Okay. You can
Yeah,
select, okay, and execute. So only one order is there, it is showing.
okay,
Okay.
great.
Like
Okay,
this, you can enter. Okay.
okay, great.
Yeah. Okay. So this is the difference of these 3 transaction codes. As per business need, we can use the 3 different transaction codes. Is it clear?
Yeah,
Okay. So next I am going to another step.
release order.
Correct. So that is nothing but a release production order.
Yeah,
So the next step is release production order. So now we created a production order. Okay. You want to release the production order. So this release production order, we can use the different transaction codes. Like you can use your stock transfer request. this transaction. Okay, or you can use, there is a separate transaction code, change production order. Okay, CO02. This you can use it to release production order. Okay. What is the purpose of release a production order? You are a planner. You created planned order and you convert into production order. But I am the responsible for shop floor manufacturing. Okay. You are only just here in business. You will have a separate persons. One is for planner. One is for shop floor manager. Means who is responsible for actual production. Okay. So now, so that actual production person will check what are the details in the order, and then if he is ready to manufacture that order. So I want to manufacture today that order. So that time he will release that order. Okay. Release means ready for manufacturing. So without release, you cannot manufacture. Okay. You must release the production order, then it is ready for manufacturing. So that is the purpose of this production order release. Okay. In this release, you can access this release using MD04 or change production order also you can access. Now I will show you that. I am going to first MD04. Okay. So here any one planned order you can take. I am taking our first planned order 161. So click on details button. Here you can see the third button. Wherever you see specs button, this is a display. Wherever you see this button pen, it is change.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
Okay. So you can select that change button pen.
Okay.
Okay. Click this button. So here you can see production order change header. Production order change header. So here,
You click on the flag, no? To
sorry.
release. Now to release it, we click on the flag, red.
Yes, yes, exactly. Correct.
Yeah.
To release the functionalities here, there is a green flag button is there.
Yeah.
You will just click on this button.
Okay.
Okay. Now, whether this order is released or not, how to identify that is in production order, you will have status. This is very, very important. Status. So using this status, you will identify in which status this production order is. Okay. So here you can see CRTD, PRC, CSER, MANC, SCTC. All these are the different statuses.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, CRTD means created.
Okay.
That means this production order is already created.
So CRTD means created.
Correct.
And PRC?
Okay. I will show you that. Okay. So now, if this order is released, that release status also will get updated. release status code is REL. If this order is already released, then you will find the status here REL. Okay. So what are these all statuses means? You can click on this I button here. If you click this button, I am clicking this I button. Here you can see what is the status of. This is the code and this is the description. We got the error in casting. So this is the status. Okay. So we are not yet released. There is no status for release. So that means this order is not released. Okay. I am going back to main screen. Click on back button. So now how to release a production order is very easy. Just click on this green flag. Click that button. And once you click, you can see status become REL. Okay. Status is changed to REL. Okay. And then this green flag become as a disable mode. Now you can click on save button. Okay. Jamal, any questions?
No. So it means the Honda car is released for production.
Correct. Now I need to save it. Okay.
Yeah.
Save it. So again, it is showing some casting error. Okay. Save. Okay. Now we have released the order. Okay. How to know this is released or not? You see, I'm just refreshing in MD04. So at the end of this order, you will get the status RE. You can see.
I see.
Okay. RE means it is released.
Released. Okay.
Okay. For normal production order, you won't get that RE.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So that way also you can identify which order is released.
Released. Yeah.
Okay. Now I am opening in CO02. I will explain you more details on this production order. Navigation path is this one, production, shop floor control order, and this is CO02. So if you open CO02 directly,
Hold on
you
one
need
second.
to enter what is the production order number.
Okay. Just 1 second. Okay.
And then press enter. Okay. In this, you will have all the information related to your production order. Okay. What is the all means? First thing is your production order number and material code. So that means you are going to manufacture Honda car. Okay.
Okay. So this is the
Now,
end of the production.
sorry.
This is the end of the production order, right?
No, no. End of the production order, correct.
Okay.
Okay. So in here, I am going to explain you what are the things you can see in this production order. Okay. Okay. Now, in this screen, you can see what is the material code and how much is your production quantity. Okay. How much is the production quantity? And here you can see the dates. When is the manufacturing start date and when is the end date. Okay. Information. And then now you want to know what are the components required. Components means your like tire and all these things. How many you need and what are the components you require, you want to know. You click on the top, you can see components button. Okay, click this button, you can see you got Honda tire.
Okay, can you go on back one time because I want to take the screenshot.
Yeah, components.
Yeah, just 1 second. Component. Okay. Okay. Now click the component and see what happens.
Okay,
Yeah.
so now in the components list, these are the components and you required 500 because this order Honda car, you need 100 cars. So that is the reason you need tires of 500 tires. Okay. So all components details you want to see, you can click on this components button and you can see all these things. Okay. Can I go to main screen now?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Yes, once again, why we have raw test material 200? Did we recommend two? ROH test material, we recommend two by car. This is what we did. I don't remember. Yes, is that right? This one? ROH test
Yeah.
material. Okay, okay.
Yeah. In the BOM, actually we enter that another material also. For
Yeah, I know
example,
the test. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
in the BOM you can see.
Yeah. Oh, there is
You can
two
see
materials.
we enter two materials and one text also.
Yeah, yeah. 163 raw test two.
Okay, so that is the
Okay, okay.
reason it is showing that. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. The test. Okay, great, great. Okay, okay, no
Okay,
problem.
it is just from your BOM only. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So now I am going back to main screen. Now you saw the components. Now you want to see what are the steps you need to follow. Steps means assembling steps, which are you maintain in the routing. You want to see what are the steps. So here you can click on operations button. Here one more button, operations you have. You can click on this operations button. You can see it will show you all operations. First you need to do engine fixing, second tires fixing, third electronic device fixing, and finally painting.
This
Okay.
is the routing, coming from the
Yeah,
routing.
correct, exactly. It is coming from routing
Can
and
you
here you can see.
go back again, please?
Yeah.
Now, which transaction code is your production order? CO01, I think, right?
That is one is for creation. We are in already created order. So this is CO02.
CO02, yeah. Okay. And okay, now go back, go to uh,
Operations.
okay.
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 Okay. So you can see all these operations and everything. For example, you want to change something, you can do changes also here. Okay. You can do changes and you can save it. Example like you want to add one more component or change the quantity in the components. Go to the components and this material example 200 is the required, but you need some more 250. You can change quantity and you can save it. Okay.
Yes,
So
it change only here, but will not touch the routing. It will not update the routing. Is that right?
correct. It
Only,
won't update. Yeah.
yeah, great.
This change is only for this order.
Yes, this is related to this order. Yes, correct. Yes.
Correct. It won't change your master data. Okay.
Okay, perfect.
And you can click on save button. It will get saved. Okay. I am opening once again after changing. And now in the components, you can find that change. 250 it is there. Okay. Jamal, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now here you have other tabs here. Assignments, goods receipt, control, all these things. Okay. So these are some kind of information about this production order. Okay. What is that information? For example, assignment, if you open, click this. So here you can see MRP controller, which is came from your material master. And here you can see planned order. So this production order is created from this planned order. Okay. This production order is created from this planned order. You can see that reference here. And which production version you used, you can see here.
Yeah, but we never did the reservation. I see a reservation 413.
Yeah, I'm coming that. Okay.
Okay.
When you create a production order, automatically this reservation number will come.
Okay.
Okay. What is this reservation number is? This reservation number is nothing but the components which are required. You will find those details in this reservation number. So that means you can share this reservation number to your team. Using this reservation number, they will issue the material to my production order. They will do the goods issue. What are the materials I need to manufacture car? I need tire. Okay, that details you can see in this reservation number. Okay,
Oh, great.
that
It will be created automatically will be
yeah,
created. Yes?
it will get
Yeah.
created automatically. We don't
Oh,
require. So
okay, great.
I think MB23 is the transaction code. Yeah,
Yeah.
you can see display reservation. Okay, you can
Mm-hmm.
directly enter that reservation number 413 and you can see what are the components you need to issue, tire and this another material. How much you need
Wow.
to issue? 500 and 250.
Wow. Great.
This is GI per order. Okay, when you are issuing the material, either you can use this reservation number or you can use the production order also.
What is the T code for reservation?
Yeah, to see the reservation, MB23 is the transaction code.
MB23.
Yeah.
MB23.
Okay. So now I'm going back to our production order. So this is just an information purpose, all these fields. We won't do any changes here. Yeah. Now next is goods receipt. So after goods receipt, this stock will go to a quality stock or unrestricted. Okay. You can see the details here.
In which case we send it to blocked stock.
Yeah, generally we won't use it here, blocked stock.
Yeah.
Okay. We will use this maybe after quality check.
Quality check. Quality inspection.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it.
That means after quality check, quality people will move that into blocked if it is having any defect.
If any defect or something wrong with the product, they will block it.
Correct. And here after goods receipt, it will get stored into this storage location.
Yes.
Okay. After manufacturing, it will go into this storage location. That information you can see here.
So when you do this, and but still good receipt is not processed, but it's showing
Yeah,
the
correct.
good receipt is checked mark here.
No, this order you will do the goods receipt. That is the tick mark. This tick mark is not for already done. This tick mark is relevant for your goods receipt. That is the meaning. Okay. We are not done. Just automatically system will generate this tick mark.
Okay. So now
This
you want to
order
send,
is,
now
yeah,
you want to send this order to quality check, right?
quality check is we are not activated.
Okay. Okay.
So this goods receipt related information you can see in this button, goods receipt.
Mhm.
Okay. Now next, the control. The details in this control is purely related to your costing. Example like what is a costing sheet. This everything will come from the configuration. Okay, configuration between costing people and PP. So whatever they did configuration, it will appear here.
Okay. What is the costing sheet?
Costing sheet means the costing people, they will do all the cost related. It is nothing but like your balance sheet. So all your credits, debits, everything will get saved into that one. So the cost related to this production order will get saved into that cost sheet.
Okay.
Okay. So the details which are there in control are from the costing people. We won't change or we won't do anything here. Okay. So the next tab is dates and quantities. So again, in this tab, you will get dates, same dates which are there in the starting tab. In the starting tab, you see the dates. So same dates, it will appear here, quantity and the dates. And here, if you completed production means you done the goods receipt. So how much you done the goods receipt, you can see the details here, delivered. Okay, that means here it will get updated if you did the goods receipt. This is only a display. You
101.
cannot
This
change
one
anything.
related to the transaction 101.
Correct. Moment type is 101.
Okay, okay, got it.
So the next tab is master data. Here you can see which production version it is selected. Means this order is belongs to this production version. Master data. And what is the routing number it has used? You can see the details. And what is a BOM counter? Okay, and in the bottom you can see the BOM. This is the BOM number and uses. Okay, I think if you double click on this BOM number, it will display your BOM. This is a BOM. Okay, go back. So if you double click on this number, it will take you to your BOM. Okay, so which master data it is used, you can see the details in master data. Okay, so the next tab is long text. Okay, here you want to put some special instruction to shop floor, you can enter here. Special instructions example, use tire from Continental. That means tires from Continental brand only you need to use. You are giving this information to shop floor, means who is assembling the part. Okay, and you can use, or you can tell, use paint of red color. So like this you can enter your any text here and you can save it. So the text information you will get, it will get saved. Okay, and in administration tab, next tab, you can see who created, who changed this order, and when it is created, when it's changed, date, time, you can see.
The responsible person.
Correct. It is nothing but who created this production order, who last changed this order. Okay, so this is the main information you can get from this production order. Okay, in this there is another information, actually material. Okay, this I will cover later. If I cover this now, you will get confused. So I will cover this material and capacity. These two are there, like just a small topics. I will cover later. Okay. So this is about your production order.
Conversion of plan order to production.
Correct. Conversion, and what are the details we have in production order we discuss.
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank
Is
you.
it clear? Okay. So I will stop the class now. Okay.
Yes.
Can we continue class tomorrow also? Any problem for you?
Yes, if you like, we can continue. We can do class 2. I don't know if Jamal is available. Myself, I am available. No issue. Yeah.
Yeah, we will. Yes.
Okay. So we will continue the class tomorrow, same time. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.